Hi, everyone. My name is Anastasia, and I am organizing the undergraduate conference for this year. Today, I'm briefly going to discuss what UGC is and how you can be a part of it. So, what is UGC? UGC stands for the Undergraduate Conference, and it is an event that celebrates student-produced work within our many schools, such as communications, FCAT, SEA, and publishing. Students can submit their best works and are able to showcase them in a conference setting. So you can actually present. What's great about this opportunity is the submissions can be a wide range of things, maybe a research paper you're really proud of, or you can convert your paper into a video essay. And these topics can be just about anything from fast fashion, social media culture, or even the video game industry. This can also be an installation or an art display, or even a dance routine or an acting performance. The best part about this is these works do not have to be from the current term, even though they can be. They can be works from previous terms, such as final projects that you had in one of your classes. You can also present in groups, pairs, or individually. So one of the big questions is, why should I present or participate? So what's great about this event is this year we will have grad students from schools be our ambassadors for the conference. They may have been even your TAs. This will be a great opportunity to connect, ask questions, work on your presentation skills, and get feedback from grad student ambassadors on how to prepare and present at a conference. You can also experience a professional gathering with your peers and hear from SFU alumni about their career journeys and experiences after they're graduated. And you can earn CCR, Co-Curricular Record. For those of you who don't know, this is an official university document referencing your co-curricular activities outside of classes. For example, leadership programs and volunteer roles. You can use this supporting documentation for future applications for graduate schools or even when you do your job searching. So this year, it will be happening on March 3rd from 3 to 7 p.m. at the Goldcorp Center for Arts in Vancouver. Submissions are now open, and all you have to do is head to sfu/fcat/UGC and fill the submission form with a 150-word abstract detailing your project. That is all for me. Thank you everyone for listening, and I hope to see you at UGC 2023.